Come test drive the 2022 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, transmission temperature gauge, tachometer, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.